Good morning, everyone. I hope you can see me. You can see my slides. So, good morning. This morning, we are going to talk about uh, three AI agents every business needs. It's a really interesting setting today because here, where I am in Glasgow, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, but that's what it is. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is why this topic is so important so early in the morning. So I'll give you a little bit a start, and then I'll give you a little story, a real story with me and my team. So the first thing is that AI agents are really important because we see the incredible growth in the market of this kind of business. So it grows from 3.7 billion in 2023 to 150 billion in 2025, and this trend continue. So we'll see more and more of AI agent business coming in. Also, 85% of enterprises now deploy AI agents in their core operation, as well as small business are going a little bit down the line with 78% adoption. And from the start that we have, we see that AI agents achieve answer to users' inquiry with less than 3-second response time for more than 85% of the inquiries. But the first thing is the story I want to share with you. So probably more than a year ago, in our company, Tag Digital, what we've done, we were thinking of how we can do something that help our team be more efficient. And that time, we introduced our first digital employee. He's called Apollo. And I'm going to play a little video of Apollo introducing himself. I hope you can hear and see.
Hello everyone, my name is Apollo, your friendly AI agent here at Tag Digital. I'm thrilled to be part of the team and help make your work life a bit easier. I've been created from our extensive internal documentation, about 300 documents to be precise. Think of me as your digital encyclopedia and guide, all rolled into one. So, what can I do for you? Quite a lot, actually. Here's a quick rundown. I can answer most of the questions you typically ask your team leads or office manager. Need information on our procedures? I've got you covered. Looking for specific documents? I can provide links. I can walk you through step-by-step guides. Questions about our policies, whether HR or branding? Just ask. I can also handle general digital marketing queries like metrics, strategies, and more. Remember, I'm an AI agent, not a magician. If I can cover 90% of your inquiries, that's a win. I'm available 24/7, so make me your first stop for most questions. I'm here to make your job easier, and with your help, I'll keep getting better. Thanks for having me on the team, and I look forward to assisting you. Got a question? Just ask me. Hello everyone, my name is Apollo, your friendly AI.
That was the introduction of Apollo. So that's our internal marketing we've done to introduce the agent to our team. It was a really interesting, I'll say, roller coaster to go through creating this thing and adopt it in the team. But first thing, it's what are AI agent and what that actually is. So there's kind of change in the narrative what that exactly means. But in simple words, it's AI system that can do some task without any or with very little supervision for human. So the goal here when we talk about AI agent is to have a system that can that can basically do the tasks behalf of ourselves. And when we talk about 3AI agent, every business needs. Let's just, let's just think about what are the main things every business needs in general. So every business needs a team, every business needs a customer, and every business needs a revenue. Just very very general. So I'm going to cover today just these three topics, and what actually AI agent can do for you in these three domains. So the first thing is AI agent related to helping your team, like in the example of Apollo I just played a minute ago. The way it's created is to consolidate your internal knowledge base. If you're in a digital business, that's applicable. Consolidate your internal knowledge base, get your company policies and every kind of frequency asked questions you see from your employees, consolidate this into one database, and train a model and use specific interface, whatever is something like a chat bot or a voice bot or a video bot that actually connect to this database. Also, you can include links to all the internal documentations you use one way or another, and it's come like the very very helpful assistant for the business, because every single question employee can have can go to Apollo, ask this question, and have an answer extremely quickly and accurately. And that's really a big win, because if we think about from statistical point of view, in most of the companies, people spend more than 20% of searching of information. So that's really helpful, because this thing is worked very efficiently, it was very fast, and it's available 24/7. So the efficiency, the overall efficiency of the team grows up, because you have something that is helpful and available all the time. Then from um, customer point of view, the other kind of agent you can have in your business is customer support agent, and it's important because he or she can cover a few very important topics. First, answer accurately to frequently asked questions to your customers. I share a little bit of stat from that. There's Salesforce Einstein GPT, um, which is a product of Salesforce, but this customer agent GPT, based on the Salesforce statistic, handle 85% of the routine customer inquiries with response time less than 3 seconds. So you have something that actually can very quickly answer every single question. Again, it's um, available 24/7 for all of your customers, so there is no working time anymore. Customers can connect with this agent all the time. This agent may be trained knowing all the details about your business products and services, can be very easily updated with any new data, and will be very accurate of answering your customer's inquiry. Also, something else that it's really interesting is that this agent can be multilingual, which means that if you operate on international market, people can easily speak with different languages to this agent. And there's a stat saying, I don't remember the exact number, but there's more than like 25% increase of of international user satisfaction when they start talking in their local language. So these customer support agents can cover this. And also they can be programmed in the way that once they see or hear some change in the sentiment of the customers, and they understand that they can handle the situation very well, they can easily hand over to a real person that can continue conversation and have all the data of the whole chat pre-recorded. Also, there is another option that you can set a customer support AI agent working in the background, which means that it's a co-pilot to your human agent, which means that in every single ticket or call, this AI agent or customer support agent is supporting your real person. And the final one is the sales agents, which help you to grow your revenue. And what these agents can do, they can pre-qualified leads. So once you start receiving leads, they can check those leads and see are they qualified for business, and then put them in different direction. They can write personalized email with and sequences. They can do deep research of some companies and people, which can prepare your salespeople for their call. They can automate outreach, and also they can do call analysis and recommendation based on your actual calls with the prospects and potential clients. And finally, they can check the call all the time and do real-time recommendations and coaching to your real sales agents. And before I go, because we have very, very limited time, I want to end up with one story. So, because today it's International Women's Day, I just want to share one story that I think will be inspiring for all the women. Recently, I was researching a topic around superintelligence, and there was a very interesting study there. Like when we try to measure collective intelligence, it's kind of trying to measure the collective intelligence of a group of people. It's similar to how you measure intelligence of the individuals, but there was some very, very interesting finding across this experiment. So the experiment was that, oh, we're going to measure the intelligence by showing people eyes, and then based on that, you need to say if the person is happy or not, but just see only the eyes. And the finding from these studies are very, very interesting. So the first one is that individual intelligence do not contribute so much to the intelligence of the group. Then the second finding was that women have a higher social intelligence compared with men. And the final study is that a group where predominantly women, the overall intelligence of the group or the super intelligence of the group is higher compared with any other group. So that's my kind of final story for today. I hope that will inspire you to be more women in life, to be more women in business, and do everything best as you do all the time. Finally, if you have any questions to me, you can contact me on LinkedIn. So go on LinkedIn, search for Alex Velinov. You can find me there. Also, you can subscribe to my newsletter in AI with Trust. That's a place where I publish an article each week about some developments in AI and some practical tips and tricks of how you can implement AI in your business as a business leader. So thanks very much, everyone, wherever you are in the world, and hope to see you soon. Bye for now. That's me, Alex, signing off.